Hi, Tyler. The gradient on the orange and the apple is very nicely done. Um, it is distracting to see the border decoration and then the cartoon style of the pineapple. And I'm wondering too, did you use the same font for that invitation? If so, you want to mix up your fonts for your portfolio. You want to show clients that you can present individual, unique design solutions. But anyway, so this just looks unfinished. Like the apple kind of looks like a heart. I think it needs a stem and a leaf. The orange you can get away with without doing anything else. But the cartoony pineapple and the banana, it just honestly is two different styles. The decoration and the drop shadows look a little bit distracting, but you just got to get in there and do the work of the fruit. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to upload your AI file, I'll do a demo for you. Try to show you how to do this a little quicker if that's the issue. All right, let me know. Bye.